No, yours is the same. I think she felt good about it.
Signing our lives away. Where do I sign?
Their name, address.
With the right. I've been doing forms for a long time, man. I know what you need. I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah. All right. Cool, man.
May will be happy to do the rest.
No, we're good. You're good. You're good.
Okay. You guys want to mark?
Tell me when.
We've been talking about tugging each other off for years.
Time out, time out.
I'm speeding?
Keep that drone higher, please.
Okay. A-cam is speeding.
Take the drone up.
Camera's speeding. Got me.
No, we're good. I'm good. Yeah.
Is that a good position for you, Rachel?
We've been talking about tugging each other off for years.
The outside. Jetski Tug of War. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah, it hit Mike. It hit Mike.
Okay, hit him.
Holy shit.
Get Mike,
Mike.
get Mike. Hit him. All right, we got to pull front.
Are you cutting?
Cross.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're going at good speed.
Okay. So we turn around fairly quick though.
Alright, so how you want to go to, are you going to go to one link or how you want to go to?
I put in the last link, I guess. Yeah, let's make it as long as it can be.
Yeah, as long as it's okay, alright. So again, you can't go over any rope or anything because the stunt's over basically because the ski will ingest.
Yes. Okay.
So I actually want to put you over here like this, I guess. But we just gotta flip together, right? Bitch, you gotta turn around. Turn around. Yes, you turn around like that. Yeah, they're gonna have to start the engine.
We both go off. At what point how far off should we go to see what we
Hey, how are we gonna? There's no mic. I don't do the intro. We gotta get over by the boat.
Yeah. Let's after we connect. Let's do that.
Alright.
But
So let's try to do all this without the boats hitting anyways.
yeah.
Okay.
So you gotta do an intro.
Yeah.
How about I gotta do an intro?
Yeah, we're doing
Yeah.
intro.
Do you have any driver when you do the intro?
No.
I can drive you up right up to the boat and keep you like perfectly settled next to the boat, and then we can film us reconnecting, get the fuck off or whatever.
We don't care about the footage of connecting. We got that. It's just the intro.
Okay, well then I can drive both of you guys up to the boat and we can do the intro. Like we can sit
We
right
gotta be. Maybe we got the intro on the beach.
Okay.
Just
Yeah,
because
just go for it.
Okay. And we can do that if we need it differently, we can do it afterwards.
Right.
Okay. Since we're connecting like yes.
Okay, and the way you're gonna be running is over there and over here. No, not to the shore and not over here.
So what he's thinking is that we're both gonna go off separate directions and then turn around before we get too far apart and then go back.
Yes. Okay, but what I'm saying is you don't have much rope.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about that too.
Yes. Like I will actually, if you guys got a little rope or something, we can leave it
It's
on
not
your
that
boat.
long.
You could do
straight
that.
off. Yeah, it's not that long really. Like that.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to turn them around way? Yeah. Okay, here, jump your rope over. Oh, shit. Alright, so you want to be like this? Alright, we'll have to set that up. And then the rope's got to be on the ground. There.
Can we pass each other?
We don't have much rope, that's why.
It's not going to go that far.
Like, basically...
I know, but that gives us more.
Basically, yes, but we could do this and bring you as far apart as the rope is going to go.
Yeah.
And then you can turn it on and hit it.
Alright, cool.
So we're not going to do the pass.
Yeah, I guess not.
Hey, so, Steve-O.
Can we get you guys to clear the shot? Yeah, we'll go for it.
Duck down or something?
Don't worry about it too much.
Weep! It's going.
Go, go, go.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh no! Oh no! 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 You bastard! One, two, three will be good.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go when I hear 3.
It would have worked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, whatever. Sure.
That was awesome. It was in reverse.
Hey, can you guys bring the boat closer?
He's like,
We can always ADR it too.
you want to clean the camera? You want to
You good? Okay, cool.
Ready?
Let's go, yeah.
We've been talking about tugging each other off for years.
And now it's time for Jetski Tug of War. Woo! Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Is it gonna be okay? Okay. One of the chains here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just a strap.
Yeah. Thank God it wasn't a chain.
Um,
We gotta get over by the boat.
yeah, after we connect, let's do that.
Right.
But,
So let's try to do all this without the boats hitting any boats.
yeah.
So you gotta do an intro, one ski facing one direction.
Yeah.
You wanna be one guy this way and one guy this way? Yeah. Okay. Here, jump your rope.
Yeah.
Bring your arm.
You guys have to clear the shot.
Yeah, I got it. And then this rope is gonna go between us. So somehow we gotta miss that rope. Just duck down or something.
Don't worry about it too much.
Go, go, go.
I'm going to go when I hear 3.
Would've worked.
Oh, yeah.
Would've worked, but I was in reverse.
Yeah. So, at least we got an intro.
Okay, intro's good and yeah, right? Just run now.
Are you happy with the intro?
Yeah,
do it again?
whatever. Sure.
Should we do the intro again? Okay. Okay.
Zoom in this way. Where? Towards. This works? Yeah, we're good. Think so? Or I mean, I guess we can zoom in this. Yeah. Right there, right? That was awesome.
Yeah, it is.
He's like, we can always ADR it too.
You want to clean the camera? You want to clean it?
Good? Okay, cool.
Ready?
Let's go, yeah?
Okay.
We've been talking about tugging each other off for years.
Now it's time for Jetski Tug of War. Woo! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ow! Fucking hell.
I hope he's all right, though.
Yeah, he's bleeding.
What's up, Mike? Yeah, pleasure to meet you. All right, it's all good. Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Right now?
Chris and I have been talking about tugging each other off for years.
Yeah, that's great.
We got hurt. I'm hurt. Water safety guy's hurt. Oh. But I didn't lose the tug of war. Oh my God, the rope, the thing snapped and just hit me in the fucking leg.
Okay, he needs to go to the hospital.
Okay.
We only want to know if this is a real emergency response that said that you have.
Oh, it's not fake. This is,
Okay.
we're doing a documentary. Okay, this actually happened.
He got a head trauma and he had to go to the hospital.
Okay. Okay. See. So you're not driving? No, he's gonna drive. Yeah, I'm gonna drive.
Okay.
Sí, no, me voy con él. Sí, yo voy al hospital con él. Sí, sí, él de aquí.
Okay.
Okay.
Amigo, you okay?
Yes, we see that.
Okay.
It got you and Chris.
You got Chris?
So really, you won.
Yeah, you're gonna want a doctor showing that because they're better for surgery, and so they do their job and it'll seal better.
I'm gonna go to the hospital. So, me llevas a Rincón.
Sí.
Que me dejen el ski en la marina. Mira, voy. Que me dejen el ski en la marina anclado, and I can have people help me take it out of
Don't
the
worry,
water.
we'll take it out for you.
Okay.
I'm here.
All right, my phone is on the ski.
Okay,
Can you
no
get my
problem.
phone? There's a Tupperware with a license, la licencia de ski, and my phone. Can you grab that so I can bring it?
Yes.
Please. Thank you, bud.
Where's your car?
Marina.
Oh, so you're driving there? Okay. So then hang out in the shade until he's done. You want some water? A little while. I mean, I'm
Las llaves de la guagua están en la guagua.
Okay. Let's see that, amigo. Jeez.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, how did it just come and get you?
I have no idea, bro.
No idea.
It hurts. Right here.
Shit. All right, man. You're a warrior, dude.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Just
Warrior.
yeah.
No, hey.